Dear children of class 12th, in this video we are going to study the second part of the second poem, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. In the first stanza, पहले स्टेंजा में हम लोगों ने अध्ययन किया, we studied about the children sitting in the classroom. सभी विद्यार्थियों के बारे में जो उस क्लासरूम में बैठे हुए थे. और फर्स्ट स्टेंजा वाज ऑफ 8 लाइन्स एंड सेकंड स्टेंजा इज आल्सो ऑफ 8 लाइन्स. यहाँ पर इस पोएम में कुल 4 स्टेंजाज हैं और एवरी स्टेंजा इज ऑफ 8 लाइन्स और हर स्टेंजा 8 पंक्तियों का है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में वी लुक्ड एट द चिल्ड्रन सिटिंग इन द क्लासरूम एंड इन द सेकंड स्टेंजा वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द क्लासरूम. इसकी दीवार कैसी हैं, कैसा दिख रहा है ये क्लासरूम जहाँ पर ये बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं. नाउ लुक एट द लाइन्स. ऑन sour cream walls, donations. The poet says that the walls of the classroom are in very bad condition. जो क्लासरूम की जो दीवारें हैं उनकी स्थिति ठीक नहीं है. दे आर नॉट अट्रैक्टिव, दे आर नॉट वेल पेंटेड एंड कलर्ड. द वॉल्स आर of cream color and they are dull and they are not shining. The walls of the classroom are in a very bad condition. Donations. Many decorative items are there pasted on the walls, given by other people, some rich people. People donated decorative items to the school and they were pasted on the walls. Donations means given by other people. तो वहाँ पर लोगों के द्वारा दिए गए चित्र दीवारों पर चिपकाए गए हैं, लगाए गए हैं. उनमें से प्रमुख रूप से शेक्सपियर का एक चित्र, एक फोटोग्राफ लगा हुआ है. Cloudless at dawn, second line. Cloudless at dawn. Cloudless at dawn. Cloudless means there were no clouds in the morning. There was a scene of morning also pasted on the wall. The sun was rising and clouds were not there in the sky. A beautiful picture of sunrise and civilized dome riding old cities. And the pictures of historical buildings, splendid historical buildings were also pasted on the wall. Those historical buildings reminded people, those who looked at them, of the civilization. They were the symbol of civilizations. And such buildings, historical buildings from all the cities were taken and pasted on the wall. So these were the pictures. And another picture in the third line, belled flowery Triolis Valley. Triolis Valley is a famous valley in European countries. It is famous for its flowers and the music of waterfalls. So the beautiful picture of Triolis Valley was also there pasted on the wall. Belled means musical and flowery means full of flowers. This Triolis Valley is full of flowers and it has a musical note because many waterfalls were there visible in the valley. So one picture of one decorative item of Triolis Valley was also pasted on the wall. Open-handed map. A map is also visible pasted on the wall and it was generously created open-handedly made by somebody, and it was giving the information of the world, awarding the world its world. And this map was giving the knowledge of the world to the people living in the world. Awarding means giving the world its world. So this open-handed map was giving the information of the world to the people of the world. तो ये जो मैप वहाँ पर लगा हुआ था, और एक बड़ा सा मैप साफ सुथरा, वह संसार के लोगों को यानी बच्चों को और जो भी उससे नॉलेज चाहते थे उन्हें संसार का नॉलेज दे रहा था. एंड यट फॉर दीज चिल्ड्रन, लेकिन फिर भी ये जितने भी डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स यहाँ पर वॉल पर लगाए गए थे इन बच्चों के लिए. एंड यट फॉर दीज चिल्ड्रन दीज विंडोज नॉट दिस मैप देयर वर्ल्ड. लेकिन इन बच्चों के लिए जो इस क्लासरूम में बैठे हुए हैं उनके लिए ये ओपन हैंडेड मैप was not their world. A map was not giving the information of world to them. They were not able to see the places, visit the places shown in the map. मैप में दिखाए गए जो स्थान हैं उन स्थानों तक इन बच्चों की पहुंच नहीं थी. इन बच्चों के लिए तो इस क्लासरूम की खिड़कियां ही, these windows, not this map, their world. यही खिड़कियां ही इनका संसार है. इन्हीं खिड़कियों के बाहर ही ये देख सकते थे. They could not travel those places shown in the map. इसलिए ये जो डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स लगाए गए थे वॉल पर, इनका इन बच्चों के लिए कोई भी उपयोग नहीं था. They were not useful for these children because they could not visit those places. They could not actually watch those places and enjoy. For these children, these windows means windows of the classroom. This was their world, not this map. This map was pasted on the wall was not their world. Their world was these windows of the classroom, where all their futures painted with the fog. Inside these classroom, inside these windows, the future of these children was painted with fog. Painted with fog means something like smoke. It was not clear. It was a dark room, and their future therefore was also dark. It was painted, it was colored with the fog, where all their futures painted with the fog. A narrow street sealed in with a lead sky. They could not go anywhere, any place shown in the map. They could visit a narrow street closed in with a lead sky. Outside the classroom, they could visit. They could go to a narrow street where they lived, and there also the sky was not very clear. The sky was not blue for them. It was not black for them. It was just like lead, gray colored, means color as like smoke. The color of the sky was like the color of smoke, and it shows that the future of these children was not very much clear. Far from rivers, capes, and stars of words, and because nothing was visible clearly for these children. These children are, the life of these children is far from rivers. They are far away from rivers where waves rise, capes, means islands, and stars of words, and the knowledge of the words. The stars of words means knowledge of the words. These children were sitting, of course, in the classroom, but they were not getting knowledge of the words. They were not getting practical knowledge of visiting various places, and they were not able to enjoy the river banks. They could only sit in the classroom, and outside the classroom, the slum area, which was a very small and narrow place, they could live. That's all. This is the second stanza. And in the other next video we will study about the third stranger. Thank you.